The Honourable Jim Anderton.
Mr Speaker, my question is to the Minister for Canterbury Earthquake Recovery and asks, will he ensure that Christchurch homeowners and businesses are able to access insurance cover from existing policies or new cover they require since the 22nd of February 2011 earthquake?
The Honourable Maurice Williamson.
Mr Speaker, we have and will continue to have discussions with the insurance industry. The ability to get future cover will in no small part depend on good quality information regarding the land condition and future performance of that land. Work has already begun to collect and collate that information. The insurance industry has for the most part done a good job since September 4, and we would anticipate that continuing.
The Honourable Jim Anderton.
Mr Speaker, has the Minister seen or heard any reports about businesses that had business interruption insurance claims denied after the first earthquake of September 4th last year because they could not, quote, open the door of their business, because they could open the door of their businesses, end quote, even though customers couldn't climb over the tons of rubble to get inside to do any business?
The Honourable Maurice Williamson.
Mr Speaker, the is that if the member is aware of any specific case where an insurance company is failing to honour the terms and conditions of the policy, that he should or the person involved should take it straight to the insurance ombudsman, and if that insurance company is in breach of their responsibilities, it will soon be put right.
The Honourable Jim Anderton.
Supplementary, Mr Speaker. Has the Minister seen or heard any reports of home buyers who signed contracts before the earthquake of February the 22nd being unable to get insurance coverage for their new home after the earthquake, and if so, what is to happen to them?
The Honourable Maurice Williamson.
Mr Speaker, I am advised that after any great disaster like Christchurch has experienced, there is a period in which insurance companies will not provide cover while they try to reassess what the risks are and try to re-establish on an actuarial basis what sort of premiums would be required to cover it. In every case that we've seen elsewhere in the world, and including after the September 4 quake, that insurance coverage came back into the market quite quickly after things had settled down.
The Honourable Jim Anderton.
Supplementary, Mr Speaker. Mr Speaker, given that answer and the fact that many of these people haven't got insurance, even though they have a contract for the new house, will he be prepared to convene a meeting in the next week or so between insurance company representatives and Christchurch MPs to discuss issues of concern in relation to both business interruption policy payments and new insurance contracts for housing and other domestic insurance?
The Honourable Maurice Williamson.
Mr Speaker, I'd certainly give the matter some consideration, but I'd want to be sure that other factors that are being taken into account right now and other actions that are being taken won't be disrupted by such a move.
Question number 9.